Ayan guys, sa ME-C engine, mayroon tayong power supply, UPS A and UPS B. So yan guys, UPS A at saka UPS B, makikita natin. Tingnan nyo natin, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman nito. Yan guys, ito yung power supply ng ME-C engine. So power supply unit. So this is UPS A and UPS B. Yan guys, makikita natin dito sa loob. Makikita ko sa inyo. Yan. Yan yung power supply unit ng ME-C engine. Yan, mayroon tayong PSU number 1. Yan yung power supply unit number 3. So we have T6 breakers. So yan guys, nakikita nyo. Yan yun. Ito yung mga power supply unit DC to DC. As you can see guys. Yan. Ito yun. Ito yung power supply dun sa engine control system, dun sa mga sensors. Yan. Kita nyo dito sa yan. Yan yun guys. Punta naman tayo sa power PSUA. Kasi ito PSUB ito. Guys, we have backup battery. So yan yung backup battery guys, DC 24 volts starting 8 AH. So backup time 30 minutes. Yan, kita natin. Yan yung mga power supply guys. So ito yung power supply A. Yan guys. So same lang to guys dun sa power supply unit ng B. Mayroon tayong yan, power supply unit Phoenix with 4 volts AC input 100 to 240 volts. So we have also this one input DC with 4 volts, so 2 times 40 ampere. So we have breakers, fuses. That one guys, we have breakers. Nakikita natin yun guys, yun yung EICUA power supply, B ECUA, ECUB, ECU1. So ECU2, kita natin yan. Ito yung mga power supply guys, power supply ng mga sensors sa yan. Yan guys, makikita mayroon ito yung backup battery. Kita natin guys. So ilan yan lang guys. That's all guys.